How to reset or factory reset a treadmill. Let's get started. Check the user manual. Start by referring to your treadmill's user manual for specific reset instructions. Different brand and models, example Nordic Track, Proform, Life Fitness, may have unique reset processes. Perform a basic reset. Turn off the treadmill and unplug it from the power source. Wait for at least 5 minutes. Then plug it back in and turn it on. Test if the issue is resolved. Factory reset via a console. Many treadmills with digital consoles have a factory reset option. Access maintenance mode. Hold down specific buttons, stop and speed up while powering on. Check for instructions on the console screen. Look for options like factory reset or restore defaults. Follow on-screen prompts to complete the reset. Reset using the safety key. Insert the safety key into its slot. Hold down buttons like stop and start for a few seconds. The treadmill may reset or enter calibration mode. Update the firmware. If your treadmill has Wi-Fi connectivity, go to settings and check for software updates. Updating firmware can fix bugs that require a reset. If you are unable to reset the treadmill, contact the manufacturer's customer support for model-specific guidance. Provide them with your treadmill's model number for accurate assistance. That's it. These steps should help reset your treadmill and get it running smoothly. If issue persists, professional service may be required. So that's a wrap. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.